Each project has an analysis space, and the analysis space gathers and collects all of the highlights and clips you create across all the sessions in the project. You can also search keywords, filter by tags, and export your findings. On your right over here, you can see there will be all clips and areas. So right now I'm in all. You can see that it displays all of my pinned clips and highlighted text content. Clips will show you the list of all of the pinned clips that you have, and that you can also add in the highlight reels. For the areas, it will show and consolidate all of the areas that you have highlighted in the notes, feed, transcript, and annotation. So you and your team can make use of this area with the filter on top, like the text. Whenever you highlight, you add a tag, you can just filter it, and all the tags with the navigation will appear like here. What is a highlight reel? It is a collection of clips that is organized or selected from your video clips, and it may contain numerous clips from one session or from different sessions. How do I create highlight reels? To create a highlight reel, you'll need to select one of your pinned clips that you have so that you can start creating it as a highlight reel. So I will create over here by clicking on this three-dot menu on your right, add to highlight reel. You can either select on one of your current highlight reels that you have or create a new highlight reel. I will name my highlight reel. And you can see that the new reel has been created, and you can click to see if your clip has been added in. You can also edit your highlight reel by rearranging the order of your clips or deleting the clips from this highlight reel. To rearrange the order of the clips, you can drag the six-dot menu on your left over here. I can shift the video now to the top, and you can see that the order has changed. So you can also remove from this highlight reel by clicking on remove, yes, remove, and it will be gone. You can also create your reel once you are satisfied. If you want to see your video clearly, you can go to the source, click over here. It will bring you to your session repository.